Welcome to this in-depth review of Nationwide Insurance, where I share my personal and honest experience as a real user navigating their services. When it comes to insurance, people often search for reliability, affordability, and responsive customer service. And Nationwide is one of the companies that has been around for decades with a strong presence across the United States. I'll take you step by step through the process of getting a quote, signing up for policies, and what it's really like to interact with their online platform and customer support team. Starting with the range of coverage, Nationwide offers auto, home, renters, life, and even pet insurance. For auto insurance, the quote process was relatively straightforward but not the fastest compared to some competitors. Their online tool required more details than other providers, but the good thing is that the estimates were clear and easy to compare across different levels of coverage. Pricing, however, leaned on the higher side, especially when adding optional coverages like accident forgiveness or roadside assistance. That said, their bundling discounts when combining auto and home policies did bring the overall cost down, which might appeal to families looking for consolidated solutions. For home insurance, the coverage options included standard protections for the dwelling, personal property, and liability. What I appreciated was the option to add replacement cost coverage, which ensures you're not left short if you need to rebuild or replace items at current market prices. On the other hand, the claims process for home insurance has been reported by many customers, including myself, to be slower than expected, especially during peak storm seasons. This delay can be frustrating when you're waiting for assessments and approvals. Renter's insurance from Nationwide is simple and affordable. The application was easy and the coverage for personal belongings and liability felt fairly priced. The digital experience for renters policies was smooth, with documents quickly accessible in their online portal. Life insurance through Nationwide offers both term and whole life policies. The flexibility is good, but you'll find that rates aren't the most competitive, especially if you're younger and shopping around. Many useful links you can find in the description. One of the stronger features Nationwide provides is their mobile app. It allows you to manage policies, file claims, and even request roadside assistance. While the app works well most of the time, I did notice occasional lag when uploading documents for a claim. Their website is clean and professional, but sometimes feels cluttered when you're navigating through multiple policy options, making it slightly overwhelming for new users. Customer service has been a mixed experience. Phone support agents were polite and professional, but wait times during busy hours were longer than I expected. Online chat is available, but responses often felt scripted rather than personalized, which didn't always address my specific questions. Claims handling, particularly for auto, was fair but not the fastest. I had to follow up a couple of times to get updates, which was inconvenient. In terms of trustworthiness, Nationwide does have a solid financial strength rating, which is reassuring when it comes to paying out claims. However, transparency in pricing and fees could be improved, as certain charges only become apparent after the policy was finalized. For users who want an all-in-one provider with multiple types of coverage and who value established reputations, Nationwide may be a good fit. For those primarily concerned with speed, cost efficiency, or the very best digital experience, there are other companies that may outperform Nationwide. Overall, my honest impression is that Nationwide Insurance is dependable but not without its flaws. The company stands out for its wide variety of coverage types and bundling opportunities, but falls short with slower claims processing and higher pricing in some areas. If you're considering switching to Nationwide or signing up for the first time, weigh these pros and cons carefully. Thank you for watching this full review of Nationwide Insurance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give it a like so more people can benefit from real user experiences.